There's so much knowledge and context required for this topic, though it is fairly easy, so here's some quick information that you should already know before we start. Relational operations are operations that compare two operands, relational meaning in relation to one another. You should already know what the words operations and operands mean from my last video in a similar topic. If you don't, just check the description or the pinned comment below. Also remember that a Boolean value is returned from a relational operation. And finally, relational operations can be used in iterative and selection structures, as well as base cases in recursion. Relational operations are equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. So there's not too many to remember, and they aren't too difficult to remember either. The relational operation equal to checks if two operands are equal. Not equal to does the opposite, checking if two values aren't equal. Less than checks whether one value is less than the other. Meanwhile, greater than checks if one operand is more or greater than the other. And finally, greater than or equal to checks if one operand is greater or more than or equal to the other. So really, it's not that hard to understand, not many to remember, pretty easy topic. So to just quickly recap, our relational operations are equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. These are my sources for this video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to support the channel, and thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. Goodbye.